expecting that. Closed Monday. That's not happening.
Nope.
Hi, I'm Dennis.
And I'm Kimberly. Welcome to Activated Between Adventures, coming at you every Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Time.
This week, discover a secret graveyard, stumble upon a random car show, and find a hidden cranberry bog, plus more. Good morning, just finished shopping at Target, and I'm on my way to figure out what these stairs are in the back of the store. Kind of eerie. Oh, wow. A cemetery. I was not expecting that. In Smithfield, Rhode Island. 1831, 1923, 1909, 1919. And then over here we have 1805. Whew! These are Smiths. A lot of Smiths. Hey, is that why this is Smithfield, Rhode Island? Austins, a couple Austins too, but a lot of Smiths. So now you know what's behind Michael's and Target in Smithfield, Rhode Island.
And I am going here to do a morning workout.
Good morning from Johnston, Rhode Island. This is our backyard.
They're setting up for an event here, and it looks like it is something to do with sports cars, Mustangs, etc.
Good morning, Johnston, Rhode Island. This is my workout studio.
Head westward, Rhode Island 116 North.
We are off to see our son at work today. First time this year we got to go see him at work. We're going to go have lunch with our son.
And here we are at Patriot Place.
Closed Monday. It's okay, we have a secret access.
We have connections here.
Good morning. Closed.
You don't want riffraff like us out here.
Too bad. So, little known fact, there is a cranberry trail in behind these shops here. We are still at Patriot Place, and we are going right behind the Bass Pro outlet store to see the cranberry trail.
So, little known fact, there's a cranberry trail behind this Bass Pro outlet here. We're still in Foxborough at Patriot Place.
Where did you get that dialogue from?
I compose dialogue, that's what I do.
I know you do. You also steal from other people.
And just so you know not to park in the middle of the woods, they have this cone here.
Got a bug in my eyeball. I don't even know if I can open my eye right now. It's like, it's in there. Ow! Just found out our son, who's been here working at this place for 7 years, has never been to the cranberry bog and is that close to his work.
Amazing is this is just real close to an NFL stadium. I mean, just
Yeah.
who would guess it?
Right.
Anyway, just found out reading the plaques like this that ripe cranberries bounce, and that was, according to legend, discovered by a grower in New Jersey who had a wooden leg, and because he had a hard time carrying the baskets of berries down the steps, he would roll them down the steps, and the ones that would bounce would be the ones he would use.
So, pro tip for RVers, parking overnight at Patriot Place is a no-no. We discovered that long before our son worked here. In fact, when our son said, And when Zephyr said he's going to be working here at Patriot Place, we're like, I remember that place.
Yep.
That's the place that doesn't let you park overnight.
Continue on I-95 north for 6 miles. Take exit 15A.
On my quest to find a place to work out, and I chose not to stay here because the stupid little gnats. I think I found my spot right here by a baseball field. Today I am shopping for a new camera, planning out our itinerary for all of August and going into September, planning a trip to Vermont because we've never explored Vermont, so finding all kinds of cool things to do there. And what is Dennis doing? He's going to be doing dishes. I don't know what else. Oh, I have to ask him. What else are you doing?
Cooking dinner.
Wow, that was your goal for the day?
Oh, my goal for the day, I made some contacts for shows.
Ooh,
Shows.
cool beans. We can use more shows.
Yep.
Love doing shows. Good morning. We're in West Roxbury, Massachusetts today. This is beautiful. There's flowers everywhere. Little stream over there. If only I'd brought my canoe.
We're on our way to a performance at the Cambridge Library, Cambridge, Massachusetts.
Not very thrilled about having to drive from Boston, I'll tell you that much. Just hoping we don't hit a low overpass and have to figure out how to get around it.
Oh yeah, they do have those here.
In abundance.
We are near Harvard University. There's Boston.
Just looped around a traffic circle and got a low clearance thing that Google's trying to tell me to go on that I cannot go
Exit
on.
the traffic circle onto the ramp.
No, I'm not. I'm gonna find me another way.
Wanted us to go there.
Look at that. That's not happening.
Nope.
No! Technically, we're 6 minutes away.
But that's by helicopter. We got road closed here. We got a detour. This is a detour from our detour.
That was a white knuckle drive through Cambridge, Boston, but hey, at least we got reserved parking. 3 meters. Huh, I only need 2, but thanks, I appreciate it. This is where we get to perform today. Loading the stuff in. And all of our stuff in an elevator. Going to the 3rd floor to go to the show.
Activated Adventures comes your way every Sunday afternoon at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, and Activated Between Adventures every Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Time.
Right, last week on our adventure, we tackled a tandem bicycle and we saw a sinking boat. But we've got more adventures coming up next week.
Now be sure you subscribe and whack the bell for notifications.
Tap it.
Oh, just tap it, that's okay.
That works. And make sure if you have any comments, we would love to hear them in our comment section below. You can let us know if you have any information about the places we've been to. We'd love to learn more about where we've been or any suggestions of things to do on our journeys. We're listening. Thanks for watching and stay activated.
Stay activated. These, I think they had brown ones that fit me.
The derbies.
Yeah.
It actually makes sound. Where do I hit?
Does not make sense.
It says it's a sound pad.
Where does it say that?
Does it not say that up here?
It says squid hat.